a qualified baby massage and baby yoga instructor, and in this section we're just going to cover a couple of most asked questions that parents and carers have with regards to baby yoga. So one very common question is, when is best to practice baby yoga? So baby yoga can be practiced at any point in your baby's routine during the day, as long as it is a section of their routine where they are awake, happy and alert. You want your baby to be happy to take part in yoga. It should be a happy experience where you and your baby can have fun together while trying out different movements with your little one. So what you want to make sure is that your baby hasn't just had a feed. We don't want to be upsetting baby's tummy or moving them around too much just after they've had a feed, or if they're on solids, if they've eaten. So avoid those times of the day. If your baby is quite tired, it's highly unlikely that they'll want to be moving around too much. So again, avoid those sleepier times of the day. Head for a time that baby is awake, alert and happy as much as you can. Lots of parents ask what age baby can start doing baby yoga. So ideally you want to wait till baby has good head control, can hold their head up a little bit more themselves and becomes a little bit more stable from the chest upwards. Baby doesn't need to be able to be sat up completely on their own, because a lot of the movements that we do will help to support that core development and that core strength for your little one. So ideally you're looking around 16 weeks upwards, but that's just a gauge. All babies develop at different rates. So as long as you're happy that baby's starting to get that little bit of head control for themselves, then you are more than welcome to start trying out some baby yoga movements with your baby. Baby yoga can be practiced for as long as your baby is happy to take part, and as long as you are happy to take part with them. As they get that little bit older, we can just start to adapt the movements a little bit more as well.